Now once the IoT Hub is created, I will go and access my IoT Hub, and I would like to give you a brief introduction of the features and options that IoT Hub offers us. So in order to explore and in order to know my IoT Hub, I will click on this all resources from the menu on the left hand side in my Microsoft Azure portal, and I have this IoT Hub that I have created called as NV IoT, and I have created it in the location South India, and this is my subscription name. So I click on this particular IoT Hub over here. Now in this IoT Hub, we can now go ahead and see the different usage related information on the chart that is shown to us over here. There are no messages, there is only one device which is right now connected to, and various other pieces of information. Now before we go into the details of this, let me help you understand very briefly about this IoT Hub. Azure IoT Hub is a fully managed service, and this service enables reliable and secure bidirectional communication between you can say thousands and millions of IoT devices and a solution at the back end over there. The Azure IoT Hub provides multiple device to cloud and cloud to device communication options, and this includes one-way messaging, file transfer, and request reply methods as well. Second thing it provides is a built-in declarative message routine to other Azure services. So that means you can also go ahead and use this for sending the messages to other Azure services, maybe your web app which you will probably use to create a dashboard, or any other services of Azure. Maybe you want to go ahead and use any other Azure services to integrate with your IoT solution. IoT Hub is completely capable of connecting you with that. The third thing it provides is a queryable store for device metadata and synchronized state information. It also enables secure communication and access control using the per device security keys, or maybe you can also go ahead and use the certificates with the X.509 specification. Beside that, IoT Hub also provides extensive monitoring for device connectivity and device identity management events. Beside this, IoT Hub also includes device libraries for the most popular languages and platforms such as Node.js, Java, Python, .NET, etc. Now, the next thing that I want to do with my current demo that I want to give it to you over here is that once my IoT Hub is created, I'm going to go ahead and use the different information related to my IoT Hub and get the information about my IoT Hub over here. Like, one of the very important thing is that since this IoT Hub will enable the connectivity of different devices, I will click, I need to get some information from the IoT Hub, and how do we go about getting connected with them. So I have an option under settings called as shared access policy, and I click on this option from here. So once I click on this shared access policy, I can see here the different policy which is available to me, and with respect to the permissions that are available to me over here. So there are different policy for devices, for connectivity of device. There is a service to connect to the service, then registry read, and registry read write, and registry write permissions which are available to us over here. Primarily, IoT Hub uses permission to grant access to each IoT Hub endpoint, and permissions basically help you in securing a limited access to an IoT Hub based upon the functionality. If you want, you can also go ahead and use this add button on the portal, and you will be in a position to create your own policy as well over here. Now here I want to go ahead and access my IoT Hub Owner Policy, which has the maximum privileges and permissions. And in this screen, you can see this over here. All right. So in this case, we have a very important piece of information called as connection string, and this connection string is what I'm going to go ahead and use. I will make a copy of it, and I will use this connection string in order to register my device which I will be connecting to my IoT Hub from here. So at this point of time, I'm not once again going into the details of IoT Hub, but I'm just want to show you that how exactly you can connect a Raspberry Pi using Node.js and connect it to the IoT hub, which is available to us over here. So I click on this connect connection string primary key. I have copied this key. I will open a new instance of Notepad and I will paste this key here, which I will be needing it later when I want to go ahead and get connected with my IoT, when I want my device to get connected with my IoT hub.